Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, and I am here for a free tutorial Friday. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to be using the Celebrate Sunflowers set, and I'm going to be using this little guy here and this one here that says Know That You Are Loved. So I just think those two together will make a beautiful set. And of course, they have the dies when you order the bundle. And right now there are 13 bundles that are on sale, 20% off. So if you are interested in that, I'll put the link down below. Also, the mini stamp, cut, and emboss machine is on sale, 20% off. Can you believe that? What a great deal that one is. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with a base of basic black, and I will, like I said, this is a free tutorial, so I'll have a link down below that you could click on, and it will have the directions and the sizes here. I also have a piece of pale papaya, basic white, and then a piece of the hand-penned designer series paper. What else do I have? I'm going to be using some Stampin' blends. So let's go ahead and get stamping. And first thing we're going to do, so we're just going to get a piece of basic white. We're going to get out our little sunflower here. And we're going to ink that up just like that. You're not going to believe like how easy this is. So then we're going to take our die. We're going to take that die, and you know what? It fits perfectly through the stamp, cut, and emboss machine on the mini. Of course, it's going to fit through the larger piece too, but look how well this fits through here. So you just line that up, stick the second part on there, and you just run it right through. So, and it's so quick and easy to put away, to grab, because you just have it sitting right there. And then you pop out the piece there. So once you have that piece popped out, you can save this for something else. We'll put this little guy back just so we don't lose it. I'll put that right in there. All right, so next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our blends and we are going to color those in. So I'm going to take the light So Saffron and I'm going to color all these in, right? Then I'm going to take the pale papaya. This one is, no, I'm sorry, the light pumpkin pie. And you're going to swatch those little guys. Okay. Then, after you get all those swatched, I come back with that light again. And I go right back over it. And it blends everything together. So if you can see, that is kind of blended. For the center, I use the cinnamon cider. Right, so I got that in there. And then I take the new, what are these called? What's the new name of them? It's a color, I guess. The SU200. And it is perfect for these. So I just add little dots all where the little dots are. And then I go back in with that cinnamon cider again and put them right back over there. It's going to darken everything up again, and it's going to blend those in there. For the leaves, I use the light Granny Apple. So I'm going to get those leaves in there. Then I go in with the dark old olive. I use the thinner side, and I'm just going to go ahead and add right over those stems. So you could see the stems, right? And then when this is all done, you're going to come out with a piece that looks like this. And then I take that pumpkin pie again, and I go right around the edge, right close to the cinnamon cider. And you're going to get something like that. All right, so now we've got all these pieces, and we can now put them together. We are going to take our bone folder, burnish that little guy down. While I'm doing this, I wanted to tell you I am going to be doing a bingo night. I'll put the link down below if you'd like to register for that. And the prizes, you guys, we've got some great prizes going on. I'm going to put the first layer down with the Stampin' Seal. Oh, but wait, before I do that, I'm going to get that "You Know That You Are Loved," and I'm going to get my memento out. I'm going to go ahead and put that right down in here. That didn't come out right. This is what's awesome about this paper. There we go. Much better. And we're going to try one more because I want it to be a little bit darker than that. So we're going to try a little bit darker. Perfect. Now we can use our Label Me Lovely. And we're going to put that little guy right in there. Lined it up real nice there. And then we've got this piece. Now I can put, let me make sure. Yep, I just put a little piece there so you're good. Nobody is the wiser. So I'm going to go ahead and add my Stampin' Seal. Anyways, I am doing a bingo, and some of the prizes, we're doing multiple bingos. We've got some stamp sets. It does come with a stamp set. It comes with a surprise bag of stuff, so that'll be fun. And I'm just going to line those up like that. We've got a nice little border there. Just set that off to the side. Set that off to the side for the time being. Well, I lied. We're going to put this onto here. And then when you sign up for Pick a Prize, you could, or bingo, you could always also sign up for Pick a Prize. And guess what? If I get 10 people who attend this and do the Pick a Prize, we're going to have the whole entire marker set. All of the 48 colors, you guys. What a great prize. So the Pick a Prize is only $25, and you are guaranteed an item at least worth $30. And it could be up to almost $130, $123, I believe. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then we also have the acrylic blocks. So the entire set of acrylic blocks, all the different sizes that we have. That's going to be another prize there. And then so many stamp sets, gems, all kinds of fun stuff. And then we're going to also do some stamping with the stamp set. So again, I will put that information in the link down below so you can sign up if you'd like. Now this is looking very Halloween, right? But it's not going to once we're done. You will like this once we're done here. So we're going to have that. Oh, actually, I was going to have that one up here. And then we have this little guy just like this. Isn't that cute? Adorable. So this one is not popped down or popped up. It's going to be laying down flat. Just like that. This guy, we are going to pop him up. I'm going to get my take your pick tool. So you need to register by the 15th if you are going to be doing that. And now I'm going to get just a little bow, and you can get whatever bow you want. We're going to put that little guy right up here with some mini glue dots. I'm reaching for my mini glue dots. And we're going to find one on here. And all you got to do is pop that on there. I also like to pop some on the end here just to have it really hold. The same on that side. And that pops up just a little, so cute. And the sides are being held down. All right, now the next thing we're going to want to do is put some of these lovely little garden gems on there. I love these colors because it has the greens, the yellows, the oranges, so pretty. And we're going to put one here. We're going to put a little one right here next to it, right here. And then I'm going to put another one over here, and we're going to put another couple of them, and I'm thinking we might want one to go kind of over here and another one to go maybe, well, I don't know. What do you think? Are we good? I think we're good. When you cannot come up with a spot, don't be afraid to put it back. If I have any tip for you, that is it. So, if you can put it back. If it wants to go back. This one is being like, no, I do not want to go back. So we're going to make it go back though. There we go. All right, so here we go. Make sure you look in the description down below. You will find the link to be able to make this card yourself. I think it is so cute and just nice and springy and cute. And don't be afraid, again, to overlap, to hide some of what's going on. It all works. So we are going to put a white inside. It's going to be blank, so that will be able to give you space to write in there. But I'll put that in the description as well. And I hope you like this. I'm so happy to be back to doing free tutorial Fridays. You will get these on my blog. If you are signed up on my newsletter, go ahead and check there. It'll be on the newsletter as well. And then, of course, on my Facebook page. So, all right, beauties, I hope you enjoy this. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye!